Hey guys, I've got 3 jobs today. I'm in San Mateo, Portola Valley, and Atherton. Wanted to show you some carpet repair work as well as some customer surveys. Hi, so I'm here with Scott in San Mateo. What was your reaction when you first saw the damage?
I was worried since I don't have any handyman experience, so I have no idea how I was gonna fix it.
Nervous about the deposit and all that stuff?
Yeah, oh, for sure. The security deposit, yeah.
How did you find us?
Through Yelp.
Are you happy with the results?
Absolutely. Oh my God, yeah. I can't tell the difference between where the old carpet is, where the new carpet is, where the patch was done, all that stuff. Like, it looks flawless.
What a fantastic customer. 1 down, 2 more to go. Next up, we have Judith in Atherton. How did you find us?
I just started poking around online and you were there and you had good reviews.
Happy with the results today?
Very happy.
All right.
Solved a big problem.
Okay, finishing up here in Portola Valley for my customer Terry. Okay, so the result's good.
Thank you, thank you. Good.
Awesome.
Can't even tell.
Well, that does it for today. 3 jobs here in the Bay Area, 3 happy customers. See you next time.